introduce us to another amazing feature of this Fast dashboard. It also has a bit of similarity to a document similarity, but it's a bit different. It's called documents different. It helps to see if a document, an original document, has been falsified, where it has been falsified, what has been added to it, and what has been removed from it. So it's kind of for example, imagine somebody writes his will and one family member goes behind and teams up with the lawyer to falsify the will. There could be an argument, and this could help by posting the adding the original file and the second one to see, oh, this is where was something is different, this is where something was added, and this is where something was subtracted. Not to bore you, let me just get right on how to use it and how it makes it easy. So I come to the menu, click on documents different, then I like to choose Word documents. Either I have Word documents or PDF documents for easy accessibility. Then I click on Word documents, then it brings me up onto this, and I just get straight right to this, just compare and construct what was added, what was removed, and all that kind of stuff. So I just click on choose file. I'm just going to choose a file I already made. Let's see, let's choose this file for one. I'm choosing this file as my original file. Then the OG file, the original file should always be on top. Then the second file that I feel like was falsified. This is the second file, and I'm going to just fill in this. So once I'm done, I am going to compare both documents. That is the first one against the second one. Then I click on compare. So what it does is it brings an instantaneous result. So here we have differences, the differences, and what I'll get right into how to identify this. So what it does is you notice there are some of the file columns in red and there are some of the file words on in green. So what it does is anything that has been removed from the original file, that is the first file, is what is going to be in red. Then what was used to replace, what was added on that particular paragraph or line, it is what is going to be on the green. So this name was removed from the first and this was added on the second. This name was removed from the first and this was added on the second. Same as this name was removed from the first and added on the second. So everything on red is what was removed from the first, and everything on green is what was added on the second file. So the first file, everything that was removed from the first file is what is on red, and everything that was added on the second file is what is on green. Each paragraph, each line by line, takes it line by line, paragraph by paragraph, and does that analysis for you. So you scroll down and see stuff that you see everything that has been added. All this was removed. All this were removed from the first document. All this were removed. Then all these were added on the second document and all that like that. So in the end, it gives you a total of the differences. So we have a total of 581 additions. That's 581 new words were added to the file, and a total of 390 words were removed from the first file. So altogether, I give you a total difference of 971 differences. So this can help it go a lot of way to, it can be used in any format. Somebody wants to pass a bill, they took the bill before it goes to the Senate, and they're able to like find out through this particular easy to use means and stuff like that.